everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I gonna show you something new, something different thing, right? Mostly people they knows, and mostly people they don't knows. So here we go. Right now I have this leaf. So I wanna let you know guys, this is a sage leaf. So this sage leaf is very good for the fragrance of food, right? And if you will put this sage leaf, uh, it will make your food very delicious with fragrance, right? So I would like to let you know guys, this leaf mainly used for food, and the other thing also, the ancient time also, the people they was using this sage leaf for the control of cholesterol, for the high diabetes, who has a high diabetes, blood sugar, so they was using as well as for this thing. And for the memory loss also they was using this sage leaves. Leaf guys, mainly we are using rosemary and thyme for the flavor of the food, and this one also we are using as well as for flavor of food. And it's very nice, this is, but it's a very strong flavor. If you are making something, so you just need to one or two leaf, not like this bunch. No, only one or two leaf, because the flavor of this sage leaf, it's very very strong. So bye.